Hello everyone. One of the problems that I have with my wheels is that there are some residues and scratches here that are really hard to clean, and these really bother me. And these are from the sockets that I use to take the bolts out. Uh, I was wondering how I can prevent these. I used some tapes around the sockets and it didn't help. I came up with this solution that I think you might like. Uh, this is a kitchen sink connector. It's a very cheap. I take one and cut the head of it like this. This one has 1.25 diameter outside, and it perfectly fits there. So basically, when you want to use it with your wrench, you can do this and then put the wrench in. And when you want to use the wrench, you take this one and you don't let it turn, and you just open or close your wheel bolts without damaging your wheel or leaving some residue. I hope you like the idea.